What is a table in a database?
Hello, and welcome to our discussion today on database tables. Databases are a fundamental part of many software applications, and their tables are at the very heart of how they operate. Today we will take a closer look at what exactly a table in a database is, why it's so crucial, and how it functions in storing and organizing data.
What is a table in a database?
At the most basic level, a table in a database is a structured set of data. Think of it like a grid, which consists of rows and columns. Each column in a table represents a certain attribute or property, like name, email, age, and so on. Each row, on the other hand, represents a single record or an instance of these attributes. For example, in a database table for a library, a row could represent a specific book, with columns detailing attributes such as title, author, ISBN number, publication date, etc.
Why are tables important in a database?
Tables form the backbone of any database as they are the primary structure for storing and managing data. Data consistency, efficiency, and organization are some of the main reasons why tables are used. By segregating data into separate tables based on relationships, databases can maintain consistency and minimize data redundancy. For example, customer and order data can be stored in separate tables in an e-commerce database, but they can still be linked when necessary, thereby ensuring data integrity.
How are tables used and interacted with?
Database tables are manipulated and accessed using a special-purpose language called SQL, Structured Query Language. With SQL, we can perform various operations on the tables, such as creating a new table, inserting data into a table, updating data in a table, deleting data from a table, retrieving data from a table. We can also use SQL to create relationships between different tables, for example, by matching a column in one table with a column in another. That concludes our discussion on database tables. Remember, a table in a database is a structured set of data, forming rows and columns, where each column represents an attribute and each row represents a record. They are crucial for storing, organizing, and managing data efficiently. Understanding how tables function is an essential step in mastering data management and manipulation with databases. I hope this has been helpful, and thank you for watching.